If you want to add year-round whimsy and color to your garden, this rainbow flower garden ornament is an eye catcher. Even during the cold winter mornings, it is really colorful and it was so easy to put together. In fact, out of the box, it might have taken me 5 minutes to put it together. It's really easy. It has instructions that it comes with. And in addition, it also has 2 additional added bonus lawn ornaments. They are in the red, white, and blue, and it says welcome. This wind spinner will actually spin 360 degrees as well as spin in the front and the back of the flower. Depending on what the wind is doing, sometimes it will blow forward, sometimes it'll blow backwards. It's actually really mesmerizing to watch, and it's kind of interesting because you can see, what the wind is doing. It's a visual tell. It does measure 84 inches tall, and that metal flower is a good 2 feet wide. It's really pleasing to the eye, and it's just a really great garden ornament. This makes a great gift too. You can give the gift of year-round color, and this flower won't ever die. So it's the perfect gift for the garden lover.